Joao Cancelo is back. एक मिनट. अब ठीक है. So Barca have just signed Joao Cancelo on a loan deal from Al Hilal till the end of the season. He has arrived in Barca, has completed his medicals and has been given the number 2 shirt. और इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि whether he is a good signing or not, how he will impact the defense and the attack, and also his link up with Lamine Yamal on the right flank. So let's begin. So as we all know, Joao Cancelo पहले भी बारसा के लिए खेल चुका है in the 23-24 season when he was on a loan deal from Pep's Manchester City, when he scored 4 goals and provided 5 assists for us that season. Overall, he had a very good season. Long balls, crosses, accurate passes, and the runs he was making in the attack. He scored some brilliant goals, always celebrating with passion whenever he scored. And उस season के बाद he went to Saudi, to Al Hilal, where he has been average and hasn't delivered good performances much, only providing assists for them, no goals. An average season and a half for him at Al Hilal till now. And then now Barca have decided to sign him on a loan deal till the end of the season. So I think it's a good deal overall. He can contribute a lot in the attack, and in the defense he's a bit of a liability, but we'll talk about that later on in the video. But he's 31 now, still sharp on the ball. He has also improved a lot. He only wanted Barca. He rejected so many other offers for us. So yeah, I think it's a good signing. So अब बात करते हैं, is this deal good for Barca or not? I personally think it's a good deal for us because बहुत सारे games बाकी हैं अभी सीज़न में. We have played 19 games, won 16, जिसमें से एक ड्रॉ है और 2 लॉसेज हैं, विद 49 पॉइंट्स, 4 अहेड ऑफ रियल मैड्रिड. और अभी बहुत सारे मैचेस बाकी है, बहुत ही हेक्टिक शेड्यूल है. UCL मैचेस है, कोपा डेल रे है, बहुत सारे मैचेस है. एंड आई थिंक ही एड्स अ लॉट ऑफ variety in the squad, especially in the depth of the squad, in the rotation as well. Whenever we need to rest some players, we can play him in the back line. We know Flick wanted a centre back, but the board decided to give him Joao Cancelo. But overall, he could be a good impact for us as he brings leadership, experience with him, and he also fits the attacking style of Flick's system. So yeah, he can adapt very well to our system. So overall, I think it's a good signing for us. I rate it an 8.5 out of 10. Let me know how much you rate it in the comments. So now let's talk about how he will impact in the attack and the defense. So attack mein, as we all know, he is a very good attacker. He is an attack-minded fullback. When he was in City as well, good crosses, long balls, he's got everything. He can create overloads, underlaps, find Lewandowski and Rafinha on the run. With our already crazy attack, I think he's a good addition to the team, and we're gonna see a lot of goals with him in the team, especially from the right side, as he can provide accurate crosses. So yeah, I think we're gonna see a lot of goals, especially against low block teams. He could be a very good addition. So yeah, overall he could have a great impact on our attack. Okay, so now in the defense, you can argue he is a bit of a liability, rather than an asset, but we already have solid center backs in our defense covering for him, and I think it's quite manageable. हम सबने देखा था the amount of fouls he committed against PSG and other big teams the last time he was here, which is the biggest concern and the criticism regarding this signing. But he also adds a lot of stability in the build-up place, and he has also improved a lot. So yeah, not the perfect man in defense that we needed right now, but overall an upgrade in defense, I can say. And now the most exciting part about this signing is his pairing with Lamine Yamal on the right flank. एक तरफ Lamine, the best dribbler in the world, creating chances left, right and center, and दूसरी तरफ Joao Cancelo, one of the best fullbacks in the world, creating overlapping runs, inside runs, drawing defenders, which will create space for Lamine to do more, to be himself and make that flank unstoppable overall. So yeah, it's a pretty exciting part about this signing, and all I can say is Europe has to be ready. A lot of goals and something magical is incoming. So watch out. So yeah, conclusion में मैं यही बोलूँगा कि it's a very smart signing, adds a lot of depth to the squad and a great rotation option as well, along with a boost in the attack while we chase the title. A bit risky in defense, but hey, the upside is huge, especially the link up with Yamal, as I already said. So What do you guys think? Is this a smart signing for us or just a bad decision by the board? Let me know in the comments, and smash a like on this video if you agree with me, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. हम ऐसे ही फुटबॉल रिलेटेड, स्पेशली बारसा रिलेटेड कंटेंट लाते रहते हैं आपके लिए. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Till then, be safe and keep watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.